2019, last time we had brought our machine here. However, due to the COVID and the transportation cost is very high, so we didn't able to bring our machine here. But compared with last time, we have already received more inquiry from this exhibition, better than last time, because I believe the customer, they also be locked down by their country. They didn't able to go out, so they come here instead. When we go to Taiwan, we need any demand, they will give us support, anything that we need.
I think it's the first time for my people, but for my personally. But actually, our Huarong group will join around, you can say 12 times already. So every time our feedback is very positive because, of course, K is the world's most important plastic fair exhibition. So you can see a lot of people, although after COVID-19, still you can see a lot of people here. And it's very good for us to try to promote for overseas country, everything, to promote Taiwan, to promote Huarong. Like Taiwan, they try to create some activity and research to let us have the speech possibility to showing the visitor. And from Taiwan government, we try just from this month, we open our gate, so no need for any quantity to stay for 70 days. So they can visit us anytime and they visit customer directly, no need to stay.
The cake is really good. This is the 5th time for our company to come to this show. And in this show, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I think every people want to look around this market about the plastic film, blown film machine or something else machine. So this show is a good experience for them to come here. Our company really thanks for the Taiwan to invite us to come to this show. And I think everyone needs to come to this show to know about the plastic market.
So this time, during the COVID-19, so many people, they are concerned about the safety of go abroad. So for my personal, I think this is a good opportunity to attending the cafe. I think so many people, so many customers, they come to visit our booth. So I think it's very nice experience. So Taiwan, I think we have a very strong plastic industry experience, and we skill our machine. I think not the number one, but I think it's the best. Each year we keep growing and we keep improving our skill, our machine. And our people, they are very, very aggressive to developing our machine to all over the world.